Welcome to Extreme Web Designs. My name is Rocky, and in this video we will see how to swap or reverse the mouse buttons for left-handed users in Windows 10. So let's get started. Once you're on the desktop, simply click on the Windows icon here or just tap the Windows button on the keyboard and start typing the words mouse and click on the first result that says mouse settings. And in the pop-up, simply look for the section that says select your primary button, and in my case I have the left button as the highlighted option. Simply click on that and simply select the other option that says right, and from this point onwards the mouse buttons have been reversed. And let's say if I want to left click on this, it's not going to work, and as you can see here I'm trying to click on this, it's not going to work. And now I'm going to right click on the mouse and it's going to function as the left click. And to revert back the changes, I'll simply hover over the option that says left and I'm going to right click on my mouse and it selects it for me. And from this point onwards, it's going to function as a regular mouse wherein the primary button is a left mouse click. So that's how you swap the left and right mouse buttons for left-handed users in Windows 10. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please feel free to hit the like button, leave a comment, share it on social media, and subscribe to the channel. Soon after you subscribe, make sure you tap the bell icon located right next to the subscribe button to receive all future updates. Thanks for watching.